This dance is called Little Heartbreak. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, high beginner level line dance with 1 tag. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right. Shuffle forward on the left, so this is 1 or 2 count timing steps, right, left, close, left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the left, cross the right over the left, step the left to the side. Now set of steps once more then, back touch off on that right. 7, 8, back, touch, left, shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side. Cross the right over the left, point the left out to the side, point the left over the right, point the left out to the side again. Into a little weave, crossing the left over the right to start with, step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. That set of steps once more then. Cross point on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, over, out, cross, side, behind, side. Now the choreographer has given you some slightly alternative steps should you wish to do them in this section. So what they're suggesting is you do your cross points the same as before, so cross, point out, over, out. When you start your weave, if you wish, you can start it with a heel grind. So you can cross the left over the right. Basically, you're just putting your heel down. You're then going to turn your heel effectively from the right to the left. You're grinding it on the floor. As you do so, you'll find you will naturally move your right foot to the side. And then you just add on the last 2 steps, behind, side. So it's effectively you're doing your cross, point out, over, out, cross, grind, behind, side. Alternative steps, if you wish. I'll actually be continuing with the choreographed original steps, not doing the alternative heel grind. So let's add that to the top. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side. Cross, point out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side. Cross the left over the right as you rock onto that left and recover your weight onto the right. So cross, rock. Chassé back to the left at 1 or 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Then add on a jazz box, quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross the right over left, step back on that left, make that quarter turn right, make sure you have turned your body, then twist in it, then cross that left over the right. Jazz box, quarter cross. That set of steps once more then, cross rock off on that left. 7, 8, cross, rock, chassé, cross, back, turn, cross. Add that to the top. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side. Cross, point out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, chassé, cross, back, turn, cross. You can add on a Monterey turn, slightly modified. So we're going to do a quarter Monterey. So you're going to point your right to the side, make that quarter turn right, so you bring the feet back together, point the left to the side, and this is where it's going to slightly change, touch the left beside the right. You're then going into a bit of a modified V-step. So you're going to start the V-step the same as you would any other V-step. Left foot's in the touch position, so the left goes diagonally forward to the left, the right goes diagonally forward to the right. Rather than just coming back into the middle again, you're going to shuffle back on that left. Back, shuffle. That set of steps once more then. Modified Monterey and then your modified V-step. Off on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, touch, out, out, back, shuffle. End of the dance when you get to that point. Let's put it all together. Back touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Back, touch, left, shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side. Cross, point out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, chasse, cross, back, turn, cross. Point, turn, point, touch, out, out, back, shuffle. So that is your dance. So your early hand counts are in your shuffle, your chasse, and then that back shuffle right at the end. Single count timing everywhere else. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Back touch, up on the right. 7, 8. Back touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side, cross, point out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, cross, back, turn, cross, point, turn, point, touch, out, out, back, shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side, cross, out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, chasse, cross, back, turn, cross, point, turn, point, touch, out, out, back, shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side, cross, out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, back, turn, cross, Monterey, touch, out, out, back, shuffle. So hopefully you managed to follow that, especially when I changed that chant to Monterey on that last wall. Now there is one little tag in this dance. Comes at the end of wall 4, so you will be facing the front wall when you come to do this dance. So it's the first time you get back to the front wall, you'll do the tag before you start dancing again. So your tag is a modified reverse K-step. So we're actually going to do this K-step in reverse. So you're going to go backwards before you go forwards. So you're going to step the right diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right. The left goes diagonally forward to the left, back to where it came from. Instead of touching, this is one of the modifications, you stomp the right beside the left. But strictly speaking, it's classed as a stomp up because you're not going to put any weight on that foot. You're then going to step the right diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right, step the left diagonally back to the left, back to where it came from, and again here, stomp that right beside the left. Again, it's another stomp up, there's no weight on it. So that's your reverse rocking chair. So you can see rather than going forwards and backwards, you're going backwards and forwards. So just try that once more then, off on that right. 7, 8, back, touch, step, stomp, step, touch, back, stomp. So it comes at the end of wall 4. Wall 4 is our 9 o'clock wall. Let's do wall 4, add on the tag and restart so you can see how it fits in. Back touch up on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side, cross, point out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, left chasse, cross, back, turn, cross, point, turn, point, touch, out, out, back shuffle, tag, back, touch, step, stomp, step, touch, back, stomp, restart, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. End of wall 4, reverse modified rocking chair. So that is it. That's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go. Tip music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch, left shuffle. Step, pivot, cross, back, cross, out, over, out, cross, side, behind, stop, cross, right, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, cross, Monterey, touch, out, back shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, back, cross, out, over, out, cross, side, behind, stop, cross, right, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, cross, Monterey, touch, out, back shuffle, back, touch, left shuffle, step, pivot, cross, side, cross, out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, cross, Monterey, touch, out, back shuffle, back, touch, shuffle, tag wall, cross, out, over, out, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, left shuffle, cross, back, turn, Monterey, touch, out, back shuffle, tag, back, touch, step, touch, back, stop, restart, step, touch, cross points, cross rock, Monterey, back touch, cross points, cross rock, Monterey, back touch, cross points, cross rock, Monterey, back touch, cross points, cross rock, Monterey,
Summer's come and gone, I'm still without you. I should be better, but I don't know how to ever be okay. Every single moment's like the other. Someone tell me how can I become give up now? Try 1,000 ways. Same heartbreak, different day. Same heartbreak, different day. Same heartbreak, different day.
Hope you managed that one.